Hey everybody, it's Quicken, and it's time for a little updated hair care routine. Now that I'm a little bit of a blondie, things have changed in my process, so I'm just gonna get you guys started. I really like using a Tangle Teaser brush. It has plastic bristles, so it doesn't really pull on the hair. Detangling takes a little bit longer than usual, but it really helps with shedding, and since I desperately need a haircut, anything to help. So I'm just getting my hair a little damp so I can get ready for an Olaplex treatment. You guys might remember my Olaplex first impressions, and now Olaplex has become a part of my routine. I try to use it at least once a month or in any sort of like pampering routine. So I'm using it today. I really like the results, and it really does help with detangling. I think a lot of my breakage is caused by my hair being knotty from chemical processes and stuff, so anything to help. So you guys suggested that I put it on damp hair, so I just spray it with the water bottle and then comb it through. This is a wide tooth comb. This just helps again with any pulling. It's just a less abrasive kind of comb. So I like to leave the Olaplex treatment on as long as possible with a minimum of 10 minutes. So I kind of just putz around the house with my hair out. So this is my new blow dryer that I'm going to be using today. I've been using this for a couple weeks now from Vanity Planet, and it's really great. It has a narrow and a wide concentrator, and this wide concentrator has honestly changed my life. So this is the Breezy Babe, and they have a discount code for us as always, and it is QUTEHAIR for 50% off. You can see the different settings on here, and I love the little indicator light. Because my hair is damaged, I like to use a more medium setting, and this blow dryer really does the trick. So I've been washing my hair with this clarifying shampoo. This is Oblivion by R&Co. It's sulfate free, so it's good for my hair color. And because it is clarifying, it really helps with any buildup, because I do wash my hair about once a week, so there is dry shampoo and other product buildup in my hair. If you don't want to use a clarifying shampoo, R&Co is a really great cruelty-free brand to check out, but I love the smell and I love the results of this. I also use a purple shampoo, which might be visible on the side of my tub, and that's from Frame Messy. I can leave a link for that. So I don't have a shower and I have fuzzy pants on. So I'm just blotting my hair dry for my conditioner. So my conditioner is this Fabuloso conditioner in beige. You might remember it from my monthly favorites. It is the bomb. So it's by the brand Evo, and it is a depositing conditioner with pigment. So you can kind of see that it is pumping into my hand this like kind of brown color. I run that through my hair all over the blonde and the root, and this kind of just refreshes that beigey color in my hair. Just because my hair has been color processed so much, it is very porous, so I feel like giving it a little extra color depositing helps keep that color in mind. I really do like the results. I like the smell, and you can even see on camera how my hair is like tangled and mushy, and then when it comes to rinsing, the hair is a lot more visibly silky just from using this product. I did find it on Amazon, so I can link it down below. I think it comes in like 8 other shades. I do use this every time just because I wash my hair, like I said, only like 4 times a month. I love him! So leaving this on a minimum of it says do not go over 20 minutes, but it says leave on for a minimum of 3. You can see it has like a nice depositing. It's subtle, but I don't know. My hair color is also subtle. So you can see it's rinsing out so nice and smooth. Just the combo of that and the Olaplex really gives my hair a fighting chance after being bleached. Miraculously, I have makeup on and it's ready. It's time to blow dry. So I'm using this CC Caviar from Alterna. They're a nice cruelty-free brand. You can find them at Sephora. I've been using this for a few years. I always just like end up with these samples and I love them. I love the smell, and it's a really good heat protectant and styling balm. Here's my Tangle Teezer again. It fits just right in the palm of your hand. It's really nice. So I have this product that I am trying, and the brand is Design Me. They actually just sent me a little care package, and this is to help increase your blow drying time. The new blow dryer I have is very strong, so it does blow dry really quickly. I'm kind of testing this out today, but I ended up liking it. Here's my Blow Babe. I love this thing. It's really lightweight, and I do love the different settings on it. The blow dryer I was using before was a strong blow dryer, but it was very heavy. So I just washed my brush so you can see me blow drying it. So for styling my bangs, I like to section them out and make sure that they are wet when I'm styling them. That way they're not like drying a weird way, though my hair is naturally straight. So with the wide concentrator, I like to run the concentrator parallel to the brush. This concentrator is adjustable, so you can like twist it any way, which is awesome. Some blow dryers only let you put it one way. So running the concentrator parallel to the part and the brush, I blow dry my bangs one way, and then I blow dry them the other direction. That kind of creates volume. It's going to straighten the bangs out. It gives me a little bit of like a bounce, which you might not like. You might like your bangs like flat to your head. If that's the case, just make sure you'll see me do it. You like smooth them down the other way as well, and that'll flatten them out. That little underbrush. So with a clip, I'm sectioning out my hair. My hair is pretty fine and low density, so I kind of only need to section it into 3 parts. So I'm just sectioning it here. I blow dried my bangs with high heat so they would stay put with their style. Think of it like high heat on your flat iron, high heat on your blow dryer. So I'm going at it with a medium to small size round brush. This round brush I think is from Cosmoprof. It is from my beauty school kit. Well, I bought it and added it to my kit. So you can see indicated on the blow dryer that I'm using medium heat. I really like that. I like the little light. Using medium heat just because my hair is considered damaged. Just getting all of the moisture out of the hair, blow drying the root. I know styling with a brown brush isn't necessarily like for beginners or even easy. Even now, this doesn't look like too well choreographed, but if you try even a little bit each time, you'll get better with your round brush. And like anyone, I'm better on one side than I am the other. There you can see I'm adjusting the concentrator so it lays more parallel to my parting. And just giving myself a little bit of movement with the brush. Next, I'm just dropping the next section and then repeating the process. You can really like get into your sections with a concentrator, and if you blow dry your root kind of lifted like that and kind of freeze it with a cold setting, you can give yourself a little extra volume around your root. I'm pulling this section forward so when it falls backwards it'll have a little more volume as well. My hair is like a grown out shag, so I do have some layering in that section. So just by manipulating it out of where it lives, it's going to have a lot more movement and like some false texture. I do all of this on high heat just to hold that style. And I do it all in my last and final section just because that's where I have the most layers and I feel like you can see the most results. So you can see here, I'm going to twist some of these pieces. I have high heat on to act like a curling iron. And by that, I am just taking this section and then twisting my wrist to curl up that hair. I do this with like my final layer just to give my hair like a little bit of a more messy look. It doesn't survive more than like 2 days, but I can kind of just refresh it with a flat iron. It takes only a couple seconds when I'm getting ready, but it does add a lot more texture to my look. Now with the cold setting, I'm just freezing those pieces in place. The cold setting will close the cuticle and that will hold the hair in place and help with a little more shine and prevent your hair from being damaged by the elements. So with a teasing brush, I kind of just go in and refine any pieces. I don't necessarily tease it, I just like how narrow that brush is. I really love this color. I'm definitely like living in it well. This is another one of these Design Me pieces. This is just like a root boosting powder product, which I always like. I really like the one from Kuhn, so I really like this one. I kind of just puff it into my root there and then rub it in. Just gives me a little bit of a root boost. This product is vegan and cruelty free. They sent this to my P.O. box just to see if I wanted to try it and like it, and I do. It's pretty cool. So this is my finished like hair care routine. Me and Olive are twinsies. I love him. Leave a like for Olive. So here's the back of my hair. You can see those like little added waves I did with the blow dryer as the last step. Kind of gives me like a slept in bed head, but you and I know that my hair is clean, so I know it'll last a few days. And here it is in natural light. Let me know if this helped you guys at all. If you were interested in this updated hair care routine, I was happy to share it. I love the beige conditioner, I love the bangs, and yeah, thank you so much.